Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got something extra special. We went over to the Indian grocery last week or so, I think it was last week. Check this out. Top Ramen Fiery Chili. This is a product of India. Yes. So I'm extra excited today. I'm also irritated because there's no water. I mean, we have water. I grabbed water, but the water is shut off because they're fixing something on the property here, which makes it really hard to do stuff like, you know, flush toilets. Anyways, water's going on there. Here's the noodle block. Well, look, here's one of them at least. It comes with 4. And we're going to run that for 1 minute. Then after the minute, we put this in and stir it for 2 minutes as it simmers. And then basically, you end up with kind of like a gravy affair. So, that's what we're up to right now. But yeah, what's shaking? Not much here. Trying to keep it together, keep it together, keep it together. Got the wrong kind of basil. Oh, Miriam, stop making horrible noises, please. Okay? Thank you. They've been making a lot of horrible noises today. There's always that, what do they say? Nothing more beautiful than the sound of a crying baby. She's not a baby. And anything crying, I really beg to differ. The sound of crying is not a beautiful thing. It's actually a sound made to evoke an emotional or primal response from those in earshot. Ooh. Fiery chili, huh? Yeah, I have a feeling this is going to be pretty fiery. I've got quite a few different 2 minutes on that. Quite a few different little things from India. A lot of Nissin ones. There's some Patanjali. There's some Kurkure. I did a prison ramen burrito, and that one you can already see that if you look it up on the YouTube channel. But I did that one with Maggi masala. I could do one with this. I mean, these packs come with 4 blocks and 4 seasoning sachets. So that could be something to do in the future. But I don't know. There's a Nissin curry that I find fascinating. Yeah, you just stir it up. What's interesting about India, they call the seasoning sachet the taste maker. Like, that's what everybody refers to it as there. And I believe, I mean, these are Nissin instant noodles, but there's I'm pretty sure if somebody went to the store to buy this, they would call them Maggi. I don't want to say that improperly, but I'm pretty sure it's just all instant noodles are referred to as Maggi over there. If I'm wrong, let me know. If you know any of the semantics and the syntax of the general populace of India. One thing I know right now is they've got a big typhoon coming through, or a cyclone. I think it's a cyclone, so everybody over there in Bangladesh and India, hunker down, be careful. It's like, great, I already got coronavirus. Now I got that. Hopefully I don't have murder hornets too. But, yeah, let's see how this did. Whoa, this smells really, really spicy. It smells really good. Actually, it kind of smells like Mexican food. It smells... I really dig the packaging though. Fiery chili. What does it say? There's one thing here. Oh, cool. Somebody will be able to help me with this. It says... chili flavored noodles, non-sticky noodles. Fiery maza. What does that mean? Taste? Spice? I don't know. So here's what we got. And I'm gonna give this sucker a try right now. They mentioned that, you know, you leave it all together and you use the gravy. And this definitely looks like gravy. I'm very curious about this one. Look at that. Alright, I'm going to see if this burns my head off. Ready, set, go. Mmm. I'm getting some heat. It's really good. I love it. I want to pound that whole thing. But as far as like fiery, I wouldn't. I basically I wouldn't. Well, here let me just give a spoonful of the gravy portion. There's the gravy. No, I wouldn't start throwing around Scoville numbers for this one. Hey, simmer down out there. I feel like Uncle Jesse in the intro credits for Dukes of Hazzard when he's like that. He's all like giving the knowing finger nod. I thought I'd go a little crazy, and so I made the tiniest portion of butter chicken. Yeah. I thought maybe that would go good with it. I've never made butter chicken before. I got this simmering sauce. Ooh, okay, on the back end there's a little bit of spice, but here's what it looks like. Mmm. Yeah, that's freaking wonderful. Alright, simmer down out there. I'll make you eat chicken. That's one thing that my daughter is definitely not into. You want to eat some chicken, Mimi? I don't like the chicken. Chicken not good for Mimi. I think that's the day and age we live in. Everything's in third person because of our illustrious leader. Let's see. I'm going to won't be using that. I've got some a little bit of spring onion I can drop on top. I'm trying to think what else. Sesame seed? Not really. I got mango chutney, and I just don't see how that's even relevant to this one. A little chili flake. Stop stomping out there, guys. Our neighbors want us dead already. Okay, I think we're gonna call this good. This, if you can find an Indian grocery around where you live, and you can get this one, get it. That's my score on this one to you right now. Get this stuff. Where'd the package go? There it is. Nissin Top Ramen Fiery Chili. They're not super duper death fiery. They're not like Korean style fire noodle challenge fiery by any means or stretch of the imagination. But they are really good. This is tasty fare. I'll tell you that right now. Now we're going to enjoy watching it rotate on a plate on my stove. Here we go, and badow. I'm not going to beg you to play and have fun. That's right, folks. I'm not going to beg you to play and have fun. However, I'm going to ask you to go over to Google Play, and with your Android phone, if you don't have one, go buy one right now, and go download the Ramen Raider app. It's wonderful. It's awesome. You can take your cell phone to the store with you, scan barcodes, and if it's something I've reviewed and posted, it'll come right up and you'll see what's inside and what I think of it. You can also go to shop.theramenraider.com and get yourself some fancy noodles. Yeah, it's fun. And people are doing it. I'm impressed. People are actually buying stuff. So, anyways, yeah. I gotta go strangle some little stinkers. Diggy! It's been awesome, Ramen Raider. Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.